problem number 3. The cube of n is 9 blank 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 5. What is n? Now this is a problem that looks like it's impossible, but it's really not that bad. You just have to just think carefully about what you know. So, like for example, I do know that 9 blank 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 5 is somewhere between 90,000 and 100,000, right? And I know that this is the cube of a number, right? Now, another thing I know is that if this is the cube of a number and it's ending in 5, then that cube has to end in 5, okay? Does that make sense? The units digit here is 5, so the only possibility, it's obviously a multiple of 5, and it has to be an odd multiple of 5, but if it's a cube, then all of the they're all the same. So whatever we have, so we know that n ends in 5, right? So let's work with that and see what we can figure out. Now I could actually rewrite this in terms of this inequality here. I know this is 100 times 1,000, right? And this is 90 times 1,000. And the reason I write it like that is because I know that 1,000 is 10 cubed, right? So I know that's a cube. So if I can estimate the cube root of 90 or the cube root of 100, then I can get in the ballpark, because if I take the cube root, taking the cube root of 1,000 is easy. Taking the cube root of 90 or 100 isn't quite so easily, but we can estimate, right? You know that, let's just go through the cubes. 2 cubed is 8. Now that's way too low, So 3 cubed is 27. 4 cubed, what's 4 cubed? It's 16 times 4, which is 64. And 5 cubed is 125. Alright, so we know that the cube root of a number that's somewhere between 90 and 100 has to be somewhere between 4 and 5. So, and we also know that the number has to end in 5. Alright, so we're looking at something that's somewhere between, so we're looking at something between 4 cubed times 1,000, or 10 cubed, and I didn't write the number here, 9 blank 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 blank, oops, 9 blank blank 5, 9 blank 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 5, and 5 cubed times 10 cubed, right? So that would just be 40 cubed and 50 cubed, right? 40 cubed and 50 cubed. Okay, so we're looking for a number that's somewhere between 40 and 50, and it ends in 5. Well, that kind of narrows it down really fast. Let's try 45. Let's just check that, okay? So I'm just going to work this out by hand because, I told you there's no calculators allowed. So 45 times 45 is, let's see, this is 25, 20, 22, 20, 16, 18. Okay, so 45 squared is what? It's 5202? 2025. Okay, but that's just squared, so let's take it times 45 again. Alright, and so we get 25, 10, 12, 0, 10, okay. Oops, I think I forgot something here. Did I? Let's see, 25, 10, oh, this should be 1 because it's a 12, and I carried a 1. Alright, so this is a 1. And then, okay, so got a 0, that's 20, 8, that's 10, carry the 1, Okay, that's a 1, so this is 8. Alright. So, and lo and behold, look what we get. We get 9, 1, 1, 2, 5. Haha, there we go. So, n is equal to 45. Alright, there you go.